Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about online courses and tutorials, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want, so I'm gonna skip this, skip all, and you can continue. uh, wait a few seconds to build in this store. So first of all you have to go to the online store and go to the themes. I'm gonna just skip this, the down theme. You can choose whatever you want from these themes. Just click add and wait to install the themes, and that's it. Publish it on your homepage and customize it on your homepage. So now you can customize it. It will take you to your homepage store. So this is you can change the style of your homepage. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style, like this, or like a full screen style. I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop style. Here the settings where you can design your site, your homepage store. So first here we have the header, the announcements bar. You can change the color scheme. You can show separator line. You can also show icons on desktop. You can turn this on, auto change announcements. Here you can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text if you want. You can pass the link or search for collections or products. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu or remove it. Also you can change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header, and also you can show separator line. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. You can change you can enable country and region selector, and also you can enable language selector. You can edit the mobile layout, the mobile logo position. Also you can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom, and here you can edit the theme settings. Here you can put your social media links, your Twitter link or your Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram link or whatever you want. Now let's move on to the logo. Here you have to add your own logo from your library. So for example, just for example, let's search on it on the browser, online courses and tutorials, like this. So for example, let's choose this. This is just for example. You have to add from your library, of course. So this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time. You can change it. You can remove it. You can explore for image from here. You can generate from here the logo. Here you can edit this desktop logo width. So let's get back. Let's move on to the template, the image banner. So here we find here the first image, and you can also add the second image. So for example, let's search on this for on browser on some image. So for example, I'm gonna choose this just for example. You can edit it at any time. You can change it. You can select from your library. Here you can edit the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height, and also you can change the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. You can change this, and you can change the color scheme and the animations. Here you can turn this on, stack image on mobile, you can show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to this. The heading, you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. Online courses, for example, like this. You can change the heading size. I'm gonna make it medium like this. Let's get back and let's move on to the buttons section. Here you can change the first button label or keep it like this. You can change the first button link. Here you can use outline button style, and if you already have if you already add the second image, you can add the second button label and the second button link. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the featured collection. So here, generate the text, describe what this text is about, online courses like this, and click here, generate. You can change the heading size. Also you can add the description, just describe what this text is about. You can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style, you can change the collection, you can make product full width, you can enable view all if collection has more products than shown. Also you can enable carousel on desktop. You can show vendor and show second image on hover. You can show product rating, and you can also enable quick add button. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your home page, just click here and select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. For example, image banner or slideshow, or image with the text. So that's it. If you want to delete some section, just select this section and click here, remove section, and it will be deleted. Now let's move on to the last section, the footer section. Here you can change the color scheme. You can also show email sign up, and you can generate the text here like this, online courses. So after you're done from this, you can just save this. And now after you're done from designing your website, and after you add all your images and your logos, so now you can exit from here and you can name your store on the dashboard. So after you add your first product, after you import your first product, after you add the sharing details, and after you add the custom domain, now you can go to the store settings and you can name your store. So here, type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, and here you can change the store email. So that's it. Now let's save this and let's get back. Here after this, you can set up payments provider, and you can also set up secure shipping rates. So after this, all you have to do is launch your online store and pick a plan. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.